Hi! In front of me is Nokia G21 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this smartphone. Firstly, go into settings. Now you need to choose security over here, scroll down and choose face unlock. After that, enter your current login method and tap on setup face unlock. Then read the disclaimer, choose start at the bottom right corner and remember to keep your face in frame. After that, you need to select Done at the bottom right corner over here. And now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!